miles. Redding is 34 miles. But up there on the right, let's see if I can zoom in a little bit, is, I believe, Mount Shasta. Barely see the snow on the top. So I've decided that I'm going to go ahead and keep going up to Weed, California. I'm hoping it'll be cooler there. Hope I can find a place to stay. I know Van Life Sheldon's Travels, they were up here a couple weeks back or last week. They found a couple of places. I don't remember where they said they stayed, but I think I might try and find it. I don't need hookups. I've got water, I've got solar. Tanks are empty. So far the ride's been pretty good. I don't know where I was when I stopped and got gas, but yeah, it's been pretty smooth. The trucks haven't been blowing me all over the road like they did when I drove my motorhome. I'm so glad I sold that thing. Anyway, this is actually the first time I have videotaped while driving, so I'm not I don't have no clue what the sound is going to be like, if you can even hear me. So we'll see, I guess. Alright, when something more exciting comes along, I'll turn the camera back on. Well, I'm on I-5, about 61 miles from Weed, and traffic is completely stopped. I mean, completely. I'm really glad I'm not in a manual transmission. Having to shift through all this wouldn't have been any fun. Anyway, so we're moving. Yay! Now I know what they mean when they say the view never changes if you're not the lead dog. And we're stopped. This is great. Oh well, it gives me a chance to take a break. Let my arms rest a little bit. About everybody that's passed me on the left side is on their phone. Texting, talking, probably checking out. I don't know what the holdup is up here. I suspect it's construction on the road up here. But like I said, I'm retired. Not in a hurry. Although I would like to get to Weed before dark. Now it says I'm not going to get there till 3:30. So, well, I've got my little fridge in here, so if I want something cold to drink, I've got it. It plugs in a cigarette lighter, so I'm good. It's really easy to adjust the camera when I'm going this slow, 3 miles an hour. We're cruising at a speed of 2.5, maybe 3 miles an hour. To your right, there was a sign that said, right shoulder closed ahead. Thank you for joining our tour. of the rest stops closed to everybody except emergency personnel. So I couldn't even pull off into a rest stop, and which, you know, with the fires around, I don't think I would have wanted to. But yeah, I think this is the area for getting into it, because it was all burning. All through here was on fire. Pretty scary day for a first drive in a 31-foot motor